Got something coming up? You need a tabletop topiary centerpiece? Or maybe you're just looking for a tutorial on how to start a small topiary for beginners. Well, you're in the right place. Stay tuned while we clip this almost instant topiary from a rescue plant with nothing but a pair of kitchen scissors. Welcome to Velvet and Toads, coming to you from the Basque Country in France this time. I always love going into garden stores wherever I go, but this time when I ducked into one here, all I found was this scraggly dwarf Ellwoodii Lawson cypress. It gave me that poor little puppy dog look, and I just couldn't resist. So I brought it home, and we're going to repot it and straighten it before we get down to clipping it. As luck would have it, right after finding the plant, we were on our way home from visiting the town of Espelette, famous for its chilies of the same name, when I spotted a pottery place. It turned out to be the oldest in the region. We even got a glimpse of the factory. That's where I found this sweet little pot. They do beautiful work and ship internationally, so I'll include their link below. I'm curious how many of you have already done topiaries or intend to, and if so, what kind? Let me know in the comments below. If you're interested in doing in-ground topiaries, I suggest you check out the channel of my new YouTube friend Farouk in Florida, who does beautiful topiaries from shrubs, even birds, as well as gardening product reviews. I'll include his link below and you can subscribe to both of us. Speaking of which, if this is your first time here, I do 2 or 3 videos per month on everyday nature, home, and garden in France, where I've lived for years with my French husband. I'd love to have you as a subscriber. Now that we've repotted our little Ellwoodii, it's time to turn it into a cypress topiary. First, you want to start with where you'll stop. Find a spot on the trunk where all of the branches are growing as close to level as possible. Start by clipping off a few bottom branches as close to the trunk of the topiary tree as you can. This can be intimidating at first, but don't hesitate. This is actually the easiest part. Normally, I would use secata or bonsai scissors, but I don't have any here. And I thought it was a great opportunity to demonstrate just how simple it can be to make small topiaries using nothing but scissors. Stop when you arrive at your predetermined stopping point. Okay, so I jumped the gun. I thought the camera was rolling and it wasn't. Let's just pretend like all of this is still on here. God. Okay, so now here it is. I mean, it's just perfectly fine like this, but if you wanted a rounder shape, you could just start snipping off the top here and just work around it until you get a kind of shape that you're looking for. You can go up a little bit higher, but give the plant a break. Don't go up too high to begin with. And there you have it. So, again, if you can stop here. I went ahead and clipped it in a rounded shape, but you could also, when you get to this point, clip it up. Or you could clip it more like these that I've got here, these lemon cypress topiaries that I did a while ago. This is one of my favorites. Let me know if you'd like to know how I did that in the comments below. So now it's just time for the top dressing, and I have a little surprise for you there. Here we are on the beach down the block. Most of the beach is sandy, but this particular stretch is almost a repository of gravel. And from that, we're going to select and collect the top dressing. Another quick and easy option is aquarium gravel. But if you have the time, the inclination, and of course, a beach or gravelly stream bed nearby, I've found it incredibly meditative to seek and create the color palette with what nature has to offer. Picking out the prettiest pieces one by one, the surfers patiently waiting for the right wave in the background. Here I've included bits of seashell and beach glass. And even pebbly bits of terracotta. No doubt the remains of clay roof tiles from bygone homes. And here is the finished result for our tabletop topiary. Enjoy.